ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
अय्युन्
अय्युन्
ऋलक्
ऋलक्
एओङ्
एओन्
ऐ औच्
ऐऔच्
हयवरट्
हयवरट्
लन्
लन्
ञमङणनम्
ञमङणनम्
झभै
झभै
घटथश्
गधधस्
जबगडदश्
जबगडदस्
खफछठथ चटतौ
खफछठथचटतौ
कपै
कपै
शशसर्
शशसर्
हल्
हल्
अकुघविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अकुहविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इचुयशानां तालु
इचुयशानां तालु
ऋटुरशानां मूर्धा
ऋटुरशानां मूर्धा
तुलसानां दन्ताः
लुतुलसानां दन्ताः
उपो उपध्मानीयानां ओष्ठौ
उपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
न्यामाङ्गानानां नासिका च
न्यामानानाम् नासिका च
एदैतोगो कण्ठतालु
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
ओदौ तोगो कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
ओदौ दोः कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
बकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
बकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते
रामो राजमणिः सदा विजयते
रामं रमेशं भजे
रामं रमेशं भजे
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः
रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरम्
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरम्
रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे
ओ राम मामुद्धर
ओ राम मामुद्धर
अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः रामशब्दः
अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः रामशब्दः
रामः रामौ रामाः
रामः रामौ रामाः
इकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः हरिशब्दः
इकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः हरिशब्दः
हरिः हरिहरयः
हरिः हरिहरयः
कारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः गुरुशब्दः
उकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः गुरुशब्दः
गुरुः गुरु गुरवः
गुरवः
ऋकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः पितृशब्दः
ऋकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः पितृशब्दः
पिता पितरौ पितरः
पिता पितरौ पितरः
ऋकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः कर्तृशब्दः
ऋकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः कर्तृशब्दः
कर्ता कर्तारौ कर्तारः
कर्ता कर्तारौ कर्तारः
तकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः एतद् शब्दः
दकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः एतद् शब्दः
एषः एतौ एते
एषः एतौ एते
मकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः इदं शब्दः
मकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः इदं शब्दः
अयम् इमौ इमे
अयम् इमे
दकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः तद् शब्दः
दकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः तद् शब्दः
सह तौ ते
सह तौ ते
मकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः किं शब्दः
मकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः किं शब्दः
सह कौ के
कः के
आकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः रमा शब्दः
आकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः रमा शब्दः
रमा रमे रमाः
रमाः
ईकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः नदी शब्दः
ईकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः नदी शब्दः
नदी नद्यौ नद्यः
नद्यौ नद्यः
इकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः मतिशब्दः
इकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः मतिशब्दः
मतिः मती मतयः
मतयः
उकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः धेनुशब्दः
उकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः धेनुशब्दः
धेनुः धेनु धेनवः
धेनवः
ओकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः वधू शब्दः
उकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः वधूशब्दः
वधूः वध्वौ वध्वः
वधवः
ऋकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः मातृशब्दः
ऋकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः मातृशब्दः
माता मातरौ मातरः
माता मातरौ मातरः
दकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः एतत् शब्दः
दकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः एतत् शब्दः
एषा एते एताः
एषा एते ताः
मकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः इदं शब्दः
मकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः इदं शब्दः
इयम् इमे इमाः
इमे इमाः
दकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः तत् शब्दः
दकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः तद् शब्दः
सा ते ताः
सातेताः
मकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः किं शब्दः
मकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः किं शब्दः
काकेकाः
काकेकाः
अकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः फलशब्दः
लकारान्तः
not लकारान्तः
मकार
not makara listen to me अकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः फलशब्दः
अकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः फलशब्दः
The word ending with pala, ending with akara, who can be lakara or who can be makara?
Yes.
It is neither lakara nor makara. Phalam, phale, phalani.
Phalam, phale, phalani.
अकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः एतद् शब्दः
दकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः एतत् शब्दः
एतत् एते एतानि
एतत् एते एतानि
अकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः इदं शब्दः
मकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः इदं शब्दः
इदम् इमे इमानि
इदम् इमे इमानि
दकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः तद् शब्दः
दकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः तद् शब्दः
तत्तेतानि
तत्तेतानि
मकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः किं शब्दः
मकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः किं शब्दः
किं केकानि
किं एकानि
all these are the first case of the shabda, different lingas. You need to remember this because we are going to use now. We are doing Strilinga. Rama Shabda we have done, and the last class demonstrative and interrogative pronouns we have done. So now we will do some exercise. So you need to remember the forms of etad, idam, tad, and kim, Strilinga rupam. So let us start from here. Now, first person, Umaji, please read.
Yes, Guruji. Imaha Ramaha. Imaha Pradipadikam is idam shabdaha. Makarantaha Strilingaha idam shabdaha.
Good.
Iyam ime imaha.
Not Pradipadikam, Pratipadikam.
Pratipadikam. Pratipadikam.
Pratipadikam.
Padikam.
Not Patikam, Padikam, Pratipadikam.
Oh, yes. Imaha Pradipadikam.
Not Padigam.
Padikam.
Not Padigam. There is no Padigam. Pratipadikam. Not Padigam. Pratipadikam.
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 Imaha.
Makarantaha Srilingaha idam shabdaha. Simply you say idam shabda. That's fine. Pratipadikam. If it is difficult, you can say just idam shabda.
Okay.
Shabda is idam shabda. Makarantaha Srilingaha idam shabdaha.
Iyam ime imaha.
Yes.
Pradama vibhakti bahuvachanam is imaha.
Good.
Next word is Ramaha. Akarantaha Strilingaha Rama Shabdaha. Rama is Pratipadikam is Rama, Rame, Ramaha.
Pratipadikam is Rama. Rama, Rame, Ramaha is declension. That is not Pratipadikam.
Pratipadikam. Pratama vibhakti. Sorry. Pratama vibhakti. Ekavachanam Rama. Dvivachanam Rame. Bahuvachanam Ramaha.
Good. Now continue. Just read other words. It's enough.
Okay. Taha Petikaha. Taha Pratipadikam is.
That's okay. You can just read. You can tell the meaning if you know.
Okay. Takarantaha Strilingaha tad shabdaha.
That's not required. Just you can say Taha Petikaha. Taha is Pratama Vibhakti. What vachanam?
ओके ताः
What?
प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनं सा
That's okay.
द्विवचनं
This is Bahuvachanam. Taha is Pratama Vibhakti Bahuvachanam.
ओके
That
ताः
much you can say.
बहुवचनं पेटिकाः दट् इस् प्रथमा विभक्ति बहुवचनं ताः पेटिकाः
What does it mean?
those are boxes.
Yes. Continue.
एताः दुर्गाः एतत् शब्दः एताः बहुवचनं दुर्गाः बहुवचनं एताः दुर्गाः these are durgas.
Yes.
एताः विद्याः एतत् शब्दः प्रथमा विभक्ति बहुवचनं विद्याः प्रथमा विभक्ति बहुवचनं एताः विद्याः these are knowledge or wisdom.
Good. Next person. Akanksha. Second line.
Yes, Guruji. ताः गंगाः ताः प्रथमा विभक्ति बहुवचनं गंगाः प्रथमा विभक्ति बहुवचनं ताः गंगाः those are gangas. इमाः yes. इमाः विमलाः इमाः प्रथमा विभक्ति बहुवचनं विमलाः प्रथमा विभक्ति बहुवचनं इमाः विमलाः is these are vimalas.
Can you tell in all the vachanam? Imaha, Vimalaha.
Yes. Ekavachanam iyam vimala, dvivachanam ime vimale, bahuvachanam imaha vimalaha.
Yes, continue.
Etaha gopaha, etaha prathama vibhakti bahuvachanam, gopaha prathama vibhakti bahuvachanam. Etaha gopaha means these are gopas or cowherds.
Yes.
Taha naukaha prathama vibhakti bahuvachanam taha naukaha also prathama vibhakti bahuvachanam taha naukaha those are boats.
Yes. Next person. Akush. You need to unmute your mic.
Sorry. Etaha, vinataha.
Not vinataha. Read properly.
Vanitaha, yes. Etaha, vanitaha. Etaha, pratama vibhakti bahuvachanam. Vanitaha pratama vibhakti bahuvachanam. Pratipadikam is etad. Etaha, ete, etaha.
Etaha, ete, etaha. Is that like that? There is no etaha.
No.
You need to memorize this.
Eta,
Okay.
oh, eta, ete, etaha.
No. It is not eta. It is esha, ete, etaha.
Esha. Esha, ete, etaha. Okay.
All these things you need to memorize it as early as possible because we have given enough time. We are doing a lot of done enough practices also.
Okay.
You have to remember. Now, tell me the ekavachanam and dvivachana forms.
These are women's.
Yes. Tell the ekavachanam and dvivachana forms. The sentence.
Eta, eta.
There is no eta.
Isha, vanita. Ete, vanite. Etaha, vanitaha.
Yes. Continue.
Taha Kridaha. Pratipadikam is tad.
I have the printout with you. I have sent you the files, right? At least see the printout and
Yes,
give the
I will
answers.
print it out. I didn't print it out yet. Ta te taha.
Sa te taha, not ta te taha.
Sa, yeah, sahatote. Sa te.
No. You're confusing everything. Sahataute, it's pullinga. It is
I know.
sa te taha. If you know, you have to tell correctly.
Sa te taha. Kridaha. So sa krida, te kride, taha kridaha.
Okay, good. But what is the meaning? Taha kridaha.
These are toys or games.
Not these. Tat shabda. Those are.
Those are games.
Okay, continue.
Imaha, anyaha,
Agyaha, not agyaha.
ajnaha,
Agyaha, not agya. Agya means ignorance. This is agyaha.
anyaha.
Order, yes.
Order. So imaha, anyaha,
Agyaha.
ajnaha. Dirgha. So Pratipadikam is Strilinga idam shabda. Ayam.
Yes, quickly. Idam shabda. Idam shabda is.
Iyam, ime, imaha.
Okay. Agnya is.
You said it before.
Agnya, agyaha. Rama shabdavat. Like Rama shabda. Okay, continue.
Yes. Itaha, prabhaha is Strilinga etad shabdaha. Eta.
That's no yeta. Esha.
Isha, sorry, yes, again. Isha, ete, etaha. Isha, prabha, ishe, prabhe, ishaha, prabhaha.
Etaha prabhaha.
Etaha, prabhaha.
Do you read Sanskritam daily?
Not daily.
That's a problem. Weekly one class, at least 10, 15 minutes.
But nowadays I work a lot. I used to go for more hours to work overtime.
15 minutes is okay, or 10 minutes. Not don't have to spend 1 hour daily. And we are not. It started the grammar and discussion and all. This is only simple discussion.
Okay.
10 or 15 minutes every day is required. Otherwise, it's going to be difficult. The basic things, I'm covering the basics now. Basics are not understood. Further, you will not understand anything. Basics have to be very strong. At least 10 to 15 minutes every day to be spent.
Okay.
I'm not teaching anything new. Whatever I already taught in the previous class, the same thing we are revising. We are doing some exercise. Nothing new. Shabda given, and you are making the forms. Tools are given. With the tools, you are making new sentences and explaining. That's all. You are not doing anything new. Next person, Deepika.
Yes, Guruji. रिक्तस्थानानि पूरयत इयं लता इमे लते इमाः लताः ताः. So सा वार्ता ते वार्ते ताः वार्ताः.
Good. Continue.
Yes. Agya.
Agnya, not Agnya. I don't
Agya.
know why everybody read it like that. Agnya it is.
Agya. Ete. So esha agya. Ete agye. Etaha agyaha.
Yes.
Esha urmila. Ete urmile. Etaha urmilaha. Sumitra. So iyam Sumitra. Ime Sumitre. Imaha Sumitraha. Sa Chaya. Sa Chaya. Te Chaye. Taha Chayaha.
Next person, Yajnapriya.
Yes, जी. एताः एषा वनिता एते वनिते एताः वनिताः ताः चित्राः सा चित्रा ते चित्रे ताः चित्राः एषा चूरिका एते चूरिके एताः चूरिकाः.
Not Churika. Churika.
Sorry. चूरिकाः.
Chu is Rasva, short. Not Churika. Churika, Churike, Churikaha.
चूरिका चूरिके चूरिकाः. इमे नर्मदे इयं नर्मदा इमे नर्मदे इमाः नर्मदाः. सा भार्या ते भार्ये ताः भार्याः. एषा प्रजा एते प्रजे एताः प्रजाः.
Yes, next person, Sublakshmi. Sublakshmi, are you there?
Yes, Guruji. Sa Madhumakshika.
No, that's not that one. Before that, 1 minute. Yes.
Iyam Ganga. Ime Gange. Imaha Gangaha. Ta Kunchika. Sa Kunchika. Te Kunchike. Taha Kunchikaha. Sa Madhumakshika. Te Madhumakshike. Taha Madhumakshikaha. Iyam Aba. Ime Abe. Imaha Abaha. Yesha Gita. Ete Gite. Eshaha.
Etaha Gita.
Sorry. Sa Vanita. Te Vanite. Taha Vanitaha. Yesha Vanita. Ete Vani. Sorry. Yesha Vanaja. Ete Vanaje. Etaha Vanajaha. Iyam.
Next person, Umaji.
Yes, Guruji. Iyam Sena, Ime Sene, Imaha Senaha. Iyam Sita, Ime Site, Imaha Sitaha, Gangaha. Next, Padmaja.
Ganga is by mistake. Okay, it was come by mistake.
It's all right. Yesha Padmaja, Yete Padmaje, Yetaha Padmajaha, Pustikaha, Sa Pustika, Te Pustike, Taha Pustikaha.
Please read.
Yesha.
No, you can read description. What is it given?
Yesha Kunjika.
No,
Me-
the ending.
Heading Chitrani Drishtva Ekavachanani Dvivachanani Bahuvachanani Cha Padani Likata Yatha
Yatha.
Yatha Yesha Kunjika. Yesha Kunjika. Yeah, I want to describe this, sir.
You understand, right? What is Yesha Kunchika?
Yesha Kunjika. These are keys.
How many keys are there?
Yes, sorry. Yesha Kunjika, singular. So this is key.
This is the key. That's all.
Yete Kunjike, those these two are keys. Yetaha Kunjikaha. These two, these are keys.
Okay.
Iyam Kunjika.
Just do read. It's enough.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, continue. You can read.
1 minute. Iyam Kunjika. These
It's
are
not, okay, this is not Kunchika. What is this?
Dvichakrika.
Chakrika.
Dvichakrika, bicycle.
but here it is Kunjika.
Mistake.
Okay. Iyam Dvichakrika. This is bicycle. Ime Dvichakrike. These are.
Just read it enough.
Okay.
Yeah, read.
Okay. Ime Dvichakrike. Imaha Dvichakrikaha. Sa Makshika. Te Makshike. Taha Makshikaha.
Just a minute. Next person, Akankshaji.
Yes, Guruji. Esha Mapika, Ete Mapike, Etaha Mapikaha. Sa Churika, Te Churike, Taha Churikaha. Sa Dvichakrika, Te Dvichakrike, Taha Dvichakrikaha. Sa Agnipetika, Te Agnipetike, Taha Agnipetikaha. Iyam Veena, Ime Veene, Imaha Veenaha.
Okay. Now, Ikaranta Shabda, which we chanted before the class, just before. Now, we chanted Mati Shabda, Ikaranta, Srilinga Shabda, Napumsakalinga Shabda, all the Shabdas which we chanted now and which we have not seen. You will see it is going to be covered now one by one. So, Ikaranta Shabda already Pullinga we have seen. Now, Ikaranta Strilinga. In Strilinga, we have seen so far only Akaranta Shabda. That is why all the examples we dealt with so far was Akaranta, ending with Akara. Now, Ikaranta, short E. Ikaranta, we have seen Hari Shabda, Harihi, Hari, Harayaha. That is Pullinga. Now Mati Shabda. Mati means Buddhi, intellect, Buddhi. Buddhi is also Ikaranta Shabda. It is ending with short Ikara. Generally, I said, if you remember, Srilinga Shabda will end with, generally ends with long vowel. But here, it is ending with Ikara. Similarly, Ukara also. Ukara is there, Ukara is there. So those Shabdas are also there that you have to note. So it is not that only that Srilinga Shabdas always end with long vowels. Srilinga Shabda can end with short vowels also. Okay. So Akaranta we have seen. Now Ikaranta. After Ikaranta, Ikaranta we will see. Then Ukaranta, then Ukaranta. That is the order we are going to see. Now this Shabda is easy. Why? Because the Pratama Vibhakti, it is same as Pullinga. And we are dealing only with Pratama Vibhakti, not other Vibhaktis. Even though I taught you Rama Shabda, Hari Shabda, Guru Shabda, and all the demonstrative pronouns. Similarly for Srilinga, Rama Shabda, I taught you, and all the demonstrative pronoun declension that you have to know. You have to commit to memory those Shabdas. You will see the usage of that later. That is different. Now, for the exercise purpose, Pratama Vibhakti of all these forms need to be memorized. Important. Just as I said before, just chant all the Shabdas once. Whatever the documents I sent, keep that, take print out, keep it with you. Just read, ritually read every day. 10 to 15 minutes it's required. In the beginning at least that's required. So now Ikaranta Shabda. Ikaranta, Ikarantaha, Strilingaha, Mati Shabdaha. Matihi, Mati, Matayaha. There is no difficulty in this, same as Hari Shabda. Mati, the word ends with Ikara, short E. Makara plus Akara, then Takara plus Ikara. So declension is in Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, Mati Shabda, that is the last letter Ikara, replaced by Ihi. Therefore, you get the form Matihi. Similarly, Dvivachanam, Ikara is replaced by Ikara. Therefore, you get Mati. And Bhagavachanam, E is replaced by Ayaha. Therefore, you get Matayaha. So remember Harihi, Hari, Harayaha. Same way, Matihi, Mati, Matayaha. As I said before, you cannot determine the gender of a word just by the meaning. You have to know two things. Two things when you refer a word in Sanskritam. One is the meaning. Other one is gender. The gender has nothing to do with the meaning of the word. Okay. So Mati is Strilinga. Buddhi is Strilinga. Hari is Pullinga. Vari on Shabda is that is Napumsakalinga. Different. So when you know a word, you have to know along with the gender. Along with the meaning, along with the meaning, you need to know the gender also. So remember, it's very important. So Matihi, Mati, Mateha. So I have given here some list of Strilinga Shabda. As I said before, in the Stotram, in the Sahasram, Lalita Sahasram and all, which is on Devi, you will see the Shabdas, all the Shabdas in Srilinga, because the Devata is Devi, Srilinga. So the Shabda, you will see the words ending with either Akaranta or Ikaranta or Ikaranta or Ukaranta or Ukaranta, you will see. So by first you have to see the word, what it ends with. That anta. That anta, the end letter. The end letter, because it is a short vowel, you cannot say it is Pullinga. It can be Strilinga also. So in the beginning, I said all the feminine gender words end with long vowels. That is only the beginning. We'll keep changing our statement. It is not that we say something and mean something. That is in the beginning. In the beginning, to make you understand, we say generally Strilinga Shabda end with long vowels. Later, when you grow, we will say Strilinga Shabda can also end with short vowels. So now we have to include that also. So you cannot conclusively say that the Shabdas ending with short vowels are Pullinga alone. You cannot say. It can be Strilinga also. It depends. It depends on the word itself. The very word itself, it depends. Because the word has gender. Buddhi is Strilinga. Bhakti is Strilinga. Certain feminine qualities or characters, those are Strilinga. Bhakti is Strilinga. Stuti means praise, Strilinga. Vrishti means rain, Strilinga word, Vrishti. What about Muni? Muni is Pullinga. Muni means sage, Rishi. Munihi, Muni, Muniyaha, it is Pullinga. What about Kavi? Kavi is Pullinga.
Pullinga.
Kavita is Strilinga, Akaranta. Kavita means poem. Kavi means poet. Kavita Akaranta Strilinga Shabda. Kavi Ikaranta Pullinga Shabda. Okay. Therefore, when you read a word, when you are developing the vocabulary, knowing the meaning is one thing. Along with the meaning, you need to know the gender. This you need to keep it in mind. It's not enough to know only the meaning. You have to know the gender also. So the dictionary, Samskrita dictionary, serves two purposes. One is the meaning, other one is gender. How do you know what gender is? Only by familiarity with the language only you can know. That is why I say you just read this. Keep reading, then you will remember. Now let us read this. Mati Shabda is Matihi Mati Matayaha. Buddhi will be Buddhihi Buddhi Buddhayaha. One intellect, one Buddhi, two Buddhis, many Buddhis. Manda Buddhi. Manda Buddhi means dull-wittedness. Manda Buddhihi. Manda Buddhi, two dullards. Manda Buddhayaha, many dullards. Stira Buddhihi, strong Buddhi, strong intellect. Stira Buddhi, two strong intellects. Stira Buddhayaha, many strong intellects. In the Gita, we saw Stitadhihi. Dhi is Ikaranta. We are going to see later. Stitadhihi, Sita Pragya, Stitadhihi. These words are used. Dhi also means Buddhi. Dhiyo yodaf prachodayat dhi. There Diyaha. Diyaha is Dhihi. Diyo Diyaha. Bahuvachanam. Diyaha. Asmakam Diyaha. Naha is Asmakam. Diyaha is Buddhi. Prachodayat. So Di is Ikaranta Shabda. That also means Buddhi only. So the word Di is Ikaranta, Buddhi is Ikaranta. Both mean the same, but it ends with different vowels having the same meaning. There may be words in other linga meaning the same. Buddhi means intellect. So that is one thing. Manaha, manas is mind. That is Napumsakalinga. There is no difference between Buddhi and Manas, really speaking. Both are Antakaranam only, inner instrument. In Vedanta, we say both are Antakaranam. The same Antakaranam means mind. In English, we have only one word, mind. But in Sanskritam, we say antakaranam means inner instrument that plays 4 roles. Manaha, buddhihi, ahankaraha, chittam. The same antakaranam plays different roles. It is the mind, it is buddhi, it is memory, chittam, it is ahankara also. So when the antakaranam plays the role of the mind, that is manas, that is napumsakalinga shabda. When the antakaranam plays the role of buddhi, buddhi is strilinga. Chittam, napumsakalinga. Ahankara, pullinga. Okay. So the words are there. The words and the gender of the words. Both are important. Next one, bhakti. Bhakti hi bhakti, bhaktayaha. Not bhaktaha. Bhakti is devotion. Bhakta is devotee. Bhakta is pullinga. Akarantaha, pullingaha, bhakta shabdaha. Like Rama shabda. But here bhakti, devotion. Bhakti hi bhakti, bhaktayaha. Stuti, stuti means praise. Stuti hi stuti, stutayaha. Stuti means it is a praise. Stotram, praise. Vrishti, rain. Vrishtihi, vrishti, vrishtayaha. Rain is, how can it be ekavachanam, dvivachanam? It is there in the language, it is there. There may be the usage. Sometimes we need ekavachanam, we say vrishtihi. Water is there, say for example, water. Water is also declinable. Jala, jala, the word is there in Sanskritam for water. In fact, for water, there are more than 240 words are there. For jalam, about 240 words for water alone. One word is jala. Jala is jala. What is the ekavachanam, dvivachanam? But the language it is there. Jalam, jale, jalani. Jalam is water. That is napumsakalinga. We will see later. Jale is 2 waters. Jalani, waters, many waters. Sometimes it is required. Jalani is required. Jala, the word is there. Jalam itself is jalam means water. That is water. We don't need to have plural form of water. We don't say in English waters. Give me waters. We don't ask. Give me a glass of water only. What is ekavachan? What is singular, dual, and plural for water? But it is there in the language. In the language, it is there. In Sanskritam, it is there. Jalam, jale, jalani. The word jana means people. People itself is collective noun. People is not one. People is collection of persons, man and woman. But jana, the word, declinable, and it has ekavachanam, dvivachanam, bahuvachanam. Janaha, janau, janaha, it is pullinga shabda. Again, the language, the words are there. The language, again, the words are there which do not have ekavachanam and dvivachanam, only bahuvachanam. For example, the water itself, there is a shabda, up shabda. Up means water. Apaha. Only bahuvachanam rupams are there. There is no ekavachanam, dvivachanam. So, all these things are there in the language. Slowly we will read. But now here, you know this much. That is Strilinga Karanta Shabda. These are some of the examples. Buddhi, you can guess the gender of the word. You can guess only. It need not be correct, but you can guess. If you know the meaning of the word, you can guess the gender. Sometimes the guess may go wrong also. But you can see whether the word describes or conveys a feminine qualities. If it conveys, then it can be Strilinga. More examples are coming. You can see. Udaharanam drishtva ruktastanani porayata. When you read the word, you will understand. You need to know the meaning of the word also. So let us read this one. Who is the person supposed to read?
Yes, Guruji.
You, Umaji, you can read, yes.
Kirtihi
Kirti is that is first column, that is Shabda. Second column is Ekvachanam, third column Dvivachanam, fourth column Bhagavachanam.
Good.
So Kirti, we have to say Ikarantaha, Strilingaha, Kirti Shabdaha.
Okay. Good. Ikarantaha, Strilingaha, Kirti Shabdaha. Kirtihi, Kirti, Kirtayaha. Kirti means fame.
Yes.
Ruchi. Ikarantaha, Strilingaha, Ruchi Sabdaha. Ruchi, Ruchihi, Ruchi, Ruchayaha. Ruchi means taste.
Yes.
Ikarantaha, Strilingaha, Murti Sabdaha. Murti, Murtihi, Murti, Murtayaha. Murti means idol.
Form. Yes.
Ikarantaha, Strilingaha, Shruti Sabdaha. Shrutihi, Shruti, Shrutayaha. Shruti means Raham.
Not Raham. Okay. That is different.
Veda.
Here Veda. Shruti is that which
Yes.
is heard.
Okay.
Maybe Raga also possible. You can say anything wrong with that. That is Shruti or what do you say? Shruti.
Okay. Shruti means Veda.
Yeah, you can say Ragam also, but here what I mean is Shruti is Veda. That which is heard is called Veda. Shruyate iti Shruti. Next person, Akanshali.
Thank you.
Dhruti, so Ikarantaha, Strilingaha, Dhruti Shabdaha. Dhrutihi, Dhruti, Dhrutayaha. Dhruti,
Courage.
courage. Okay. Ikarantaha, Strilingaha, Riti Shabdaha. Ritihi, Riti, Ritayaha. Riti means method.
Method or manner, that's Riti.
Hmm.
Yes.
Ikarantaha, Strilingaha, Priti Shabdaha. Pritihi, Priti, Pritayaha.
Yes.
Priti means love.
Love. Affectionate. Priti.
Yes.
Similarly, some words are given here. You can first line you can randomly take 2 words and do it. Any words you can take. So many words are there. Meaning part you can refer to the dictionary later. Just declension only we are interested in this. You can take any 2 words from the first line. You can decline. Please do. Akanshali.
Yes, Guruji. Drishti. So, Ikarantaha, Strilingaha, Drishti Shabdaha. Drishtihi, Drishti, Drishtayaha.
Drishti means vision,
Vision.
perception.
Yes. And Smriti Shabdaha. So, Ikarantaha, Strilingaha, Smriti Shabdaha. Smritihi, Smriti, Smritayaha. Smriti
Smriti means Purana. All the-
memory also, sir.
Yes, Smriti also means memory. Smaryate, it is Smriti. That which is remembered is called Smriti. So Smriti Granthas, Purana, Itihasas, etc. Those are Smriti or memory also. So then other words are there. You can see Kanti is attraction, Akriti is form. So many words are there, Srilinga words, all ending with Ikaranta. You can practice. Unnati, Utpatti, Upasti, Paddhati, Sthiti, Vriddhi, expansion, Siddhi, accomplishment. So you can decline this later. Now, you can do the next one. Continue. Rittasthanani Purayata.
Yes, Guruji. Iyam Indumatihi, Ime Indumati, Imaha Indumatayaha.
Yes. Indumati is the one who has the mati, the buddhi, like Hindu. Hindu is moon. Moon like Antakarna. That is, the person is cool-minded. And here it is Shrilinga, Indumatihi. Right? So,
Yes.
Iyam Indumatihi, with the pronoun we are giving here. Iyam Indumatihi, Ime Indumati, Imaha Indumataya. The name of the person. She is Indumati.
Mm.
Right? Continue.
सा शक्तिः ते शक्ति ताः शक्तयः.
Yes, please continue. It's okay. Shakti means power.
Yes. एषा प्रीतिः एते प्रीति एताः प्रीतयः.
Yes, next person. Akoshi. Next 3 lines.
Isha buddhihi ete buddhi etaha buddhaha.
Buddhaha. Where is Buddhaha? From where it came? Buddhaha.
No, well, eta buddha. Sorry.
Huh? What's that? Etaha.
Ishaha buddhihi.
Not Yeshaha Buddhihi. Yesha Buddhihi. Yeshaha is
Isha
Pullinga.
buddhi. Ete buddhi. Buddhe.
Not Buddhe. Where is Buddhe? We are not doing Pullinga. Pullinga also there is no Buddhe. Matihi, Mati, Matayaha.
Buddhi. Yes. Ete buddhi.
Etaha Buddhayaha.
Etaha buddhayaha.
It's not difficult. Okay, continue. Please do quickly. Next, the same example. Follow the example. If the first line itself is there.
Isha vrittihi ete vritti. No.
Okay, you need to do homework. Okay. Without homework, how will you understand this? Imaha is there. Already it is not done yet. It's not something new. Imaha is there. You are saying Yesha again. Imaha, the word is saying that. You should remember the pronoun. You should remember the Pratipadikam. Shabda. Imaha is a Pratipadikam is idam. How can it be Yesha Vritti? Okay, even if it is Yesha Vritti, complete that. Yesha Vritti, Ete Vritti, Etaha Vrittayaha. Imaha Vrittayaha it is. If it is Imaha Vrittayaha, what should be that? Yam Vrittihi. Ime Vritti. First line itself is an example. Yam Indumatihi. Ime Indumati. Imaha Indumatayaha. It is there. You can take that as an example and do it. Is it difficult? I don't think
I will
so.
practice, Guruji.
That is what we have been practicing. It's not something new you have to practice. Already been practiced from the beginning, from the Pullinga Shabda onwards. Okay, next person, Deepika ji, please continue.
Yes, Guruji. Imaha. So, iyam vrittihi, ime vritti, imaha vrittayaha. Sa prakritihi. So, te prakriti taha prakritayaha. Shall I continue, Guruji?
Okay, yes, please do.
Okay. Itaha. So, Esha Riti.
Riti, how can it be Riti?
Sorry. Esha Riti.
Not Riti. Esha Ritihi,
Ritihi, sorry, yeah. Esha Ritihi.
not Ritihi, Ritihi. The first
Ri-
letter is Ri, Dirga.
Oh, okay, okay. Esha
Riti.
Ritihi.
Yes.
Ete Riti Etaha Ritayah.
Yes. Next one. Next Shabda is Ikaranta. I'm introducing more and more Shabda. You have to work. Ikarantaha Strilingaha Strilinga Shabdaha. Nadi is taken as an example. Nadi, like Mati is Mati for Ikaranta, that is a master Shabda. Similarly, for Ikara, Nadi is the master Shabda. How it is declined? Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyaha. So you have to know the form. Nadi is a Pratipadikam, Ikarantaha. The Shabda ends with the long vowel E, and Pratama Vibhakti, what happens? The long vowel E is retained, replaced by E. The same. It means Nadi remains as it is. No change in that. And in Dvivachanam, the E kara of Nadi is replaced by Yau. So what will happen? Nadyau. You can see Nakara plus Akara. Then Dakara plus the Ikara is replaced by Yau. Therefore become Dyau, Nadyau. And in Bhagavachanam, Ikara is replaced by Yaha. So you get Nakara plus Akara, Takara plus Yaha is equal to Nadyaha iti Rupam. So Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyaha. Nadi is Ikaranta. Ikarantaha Strilingaha. Gender, as I said before, that you have to remember. Strilinga, all the long vowel ending Shabdas are Strilinga. So Ikaranta is Strilinga Shabda. Just close your eyes and you can say it is Strilinga. Any long vowel ending Shabdas are Strilinga. There are Pullinga Shabdas also, but you don't have to worry about it now. That will, when it comes, we will see. All the long vowel ending Shabdas are Strilinga. All the short vowel ending Shabdas are Pullinga, you cannot say. It can be Pullinga or Strilinga because we have seen Mati Shabda. So Mati is short vowel, that you cannot say. But all the long vowel ending Shabdas are Strilinga. So Nadi is Strilinga. Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyaha. Oh, let us read this. Priyaji, you can read. Ikaranta Shabda.
Yes.
Gauri. Yes.
ईकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः गौरी शब्दः गौरी गौर्यौ गौर्यौ गौर्या गौर्यः
Gauryaha, not Gauryaha. Gauryaha.
गौर्यः
Like Matayaha. Similarly, Gauryaha.
Yes. ईकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः पार्वती शब्दः पार्वती पार्वत्यौ पार्वत्यः ईकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः सरस्वती शब्दः सरस्वती सरस्वत्यौ सरस्वत्यः ईकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः भवानी शब्दः भवानी भवान्यौ भवान्यः ईकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः कुन्ती शब्दः कुन्ती कुन्त्यौ कुन्त्यः
Bhagavachanam is not difficult. Replace E by what?
यः
Replace E. Ikara, Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyaha. Replace E by Yaha. That's all.
यः
Simple. Kuntyaha. Right?
yes
Next person. Okay. Next person is an example. Many words are there, Ikaranta Shabda, just few words only are given here. And we will do the exercise now. Sublakshmi, you can read. First column is Shabda, second column, Ekavachanam, third column, Dvivachanam, and last column is Bhagavachanam. So you can just read Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyah. Time not there, you can read that along. Yes.
नदी नद्यौ नद्यः
Similarly, Nari would be
नारी नार्यौ नार्यः
yes.
कुमारी कुमारी कुमार्यौ कुमार्यः
Kumaryaha. Okay.
जननी जनन्यौ जनन्यः सह
Magishi.
महिषी महिषौ
Magishyau.
महिष्यौ महिष्यः
Replace E by Yau. That's what we saw. Magishyau.
महिष्यौ महिष्यः
Yes.
नटी नटी नट्यौ नट्यः
Yes.
सहचर्यः सहचर्यौ
No. It is not Pullinga. Sahacharyaha Bhagavachana I have given. What should be the Pratipadika? Think. Gauryaha is Gauri. Kumaryaha is Kumari. Jananyaha is Janani. Magishyaha is Magishi. Natyaha is Nati. Sahacharyaha must be what?
सहचर्यी
Huh?
सहचर्यी
Sahachari.
सहचर्यौ सहचर्यः
Sahacharyaha. Don't think that it is Sahacharyaha is Pullinga Shabda Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. No. It is Srilinga Pratama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. Sahachari is a Shabda.
Okay.
Then a lot of Srilinga Shabdas are given here. Adhodattanam Srilinga Shabdanam Ekavachanam Divachanam Bhagavachanam Likata. So this you have to practice. Please take this Shabda. You can write few Shabdas and you can just read and decline the Shabda. Just only reading practice. Many Shabdas are given. You can do this. This we will do it in the next class. Next class we will continue. We'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanta Shanta Shantihi. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
धन्यवाद
धन्यवाद गुरुजी
Dhanyavad.
Dhanyawad Guruji.
धन्यवाद गुरु
गुरुजी